What's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Life with D and Ray. As you can see, I'm alone today. Officially I have been given my release letter, so you know your boy can the road again. As you know, naturally I was under quarantine, but you know, I was given my release letter, so I'm good to go. And the first thing I'm gonna do, as a matter of fact, that's what I'm doing now. I'm currently on my way to the gym. You know what I mean? I'm on my way to the gym because, you know, over the quarantine period, your boy kind of put on some pounds, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna go and do some legs workout today. You know, gonna hit a big muscle, burn some quick calories, you know what I mean? Yeah, so that's the first thing that I'll be doing today on my first day out of quarantine. So stay tuned for that, alright? Oh, and also guys, remember to like. It's important you like the video. Even if you don't like it, press like, subscribe to the channel, comment and share. It's very important you do that, yeah? So I'll be back. Peace out. Yeah, what's up guys? That was a good one. That was a quick workout. Now I mean, nothing heavy. First day back. I just went light, you know. Take my time and kind of really bring up back to that level where I can go beast mode. Gonna go and get some food now. Next year, I was supposed to prep for a competition this year, but because of the whole COVID situation, you know, all I had to put on the back burner. So next year definitely for sure, because I'm sure I'm gonna turn around for next year. So next year all out I will be prepping for another bodybuilding show. You know, if you guys look back on other videos, you'll see that I do compete at times with our national bodybuilding organization, which is JobFA. You know what I mean? So next year definitely I'll be going all out for that, so stay tuned. I'll be definitely posting videos about that. You know what I mean? So stay tuned for that. This is just me getting back into the groove, getting back into the zone, you know what I mean? Squeeze bar style. But I want to address something real quick, you know? I want to address something real quick because as it relates to the last video that I post, right? That we post about D being tested positive for COVID. You know what I mean? I don't know, a lot of people were saying that, I don't know if it's a lot, or maybe it's just a few, but persons were saying that, yo, we shouldn't have posted that video, and oh, it was shown in the video where I wasn't wearing mask and all of that. You know what I mean? So I'm saying to myself, how ridiculous are these people? How ridiculous are you? You know what I mean? To be saying that, okay, I wasn't wearing mask in the car. I don't wear mask at home. So why would I come in the car and wear mask? It's not like when I was at home I isolated myself from her. No. She tested positive for COVID, and even before she got tested, I was around her even before that. You know what I mean? From when she was showing the symptoms, I was around her through the whole time. And then now when she got the confirmation that she tested positive, you know what I mean? So I was like, what's the point of isolating myself? Because I was around her already. She was showing all the symptoms, you know what I mean? So she got tested in the middle of it. She tested positive in the middle of the whole process. Which would I mean say, yo, if me did forget him, would I get it already? You get me I say? So, me never see the point for really isolate myself from her. Stick it out with her. Me did it with her. You know what I mean? Me never kick her out. And say, yo, you can't stay now. Me don't know, maybe that's what you do want me to do. You know what I mean? But clearly, I didn't do that. I you know what I mean, I was there with her through the whole thing, you know. So I don't know why some people are gonna say, yo, you know, we shouldn't have put up that video. Especially I was in the car, we didn't have any mask and all of that. Yo, y'all are some simpletons. You know what I mean? We need to grow up. I don't know. I guess I need to rather me did kick her out, or me did isolate myself and all of that. You see me? But me just say, yo, sometimes you just need to think before you talk. Because sometimes it don't make no sense. I don't know. But anyways, enough of that. I don't have time for mediocrity or simpletons, as I call it. You know what I mean? So yeah. That's that. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna go and I don't even know what to do with myself, yo. A long time I don't come on the road. You know what I mean? But I might just go and get something to eat and head on home, get a long shower and all of that, and I'll keep you guys updated. Good morning! How are we doing? Yo, it's really a beautiful morning. It's a beautiful morning. So this morning I got up early, really early, like too early. You know what I mean? I am going to meet with someone. You know, mommy sent up some stuff with him, so let me go meet him at the place and collect them stuff. You know what I mean? Because normally I would, for the holidays, I would go down and look for my parents and all of that, and you know what I mean, but you don't know with the COVID situation, I won't be able to do that, so we have to be what you would say, interchanging things, or no, exchanging things this way. So the person is on his way from Westmoreland coming up here to Montego Bay, so I'm gonna meet him and collect what mommy sent up, you know, say. I think she said she has set up some fish and chicken and some other something. So I'm gonna meet and do exchange. Cause I come and forget and give him mommy, give him mommy. You understand? So yeah, let's do this, guys. Let's go! It's really a beautiful morning.
2 hours later.
Man not show up yet. So we just gonna go back home. Find something to do, and then I guess he will call when he reach up. Alright? So, finally I get my package. At what time now? About 12 o'clock. So to get it. From 6. Eh? Pull out this in there. So, fish. Yeah, right, cool. So we have chicken and 2 little fish. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, cool. Fish. And call them fish a panga. I know them, and that old wife. Yeah? Yo! So, as you can see, I'm sweating. That only can mean one thing. Well, not one thing. But yeah, in this case, we just done workout. I didn't show you any clip because I already put in a clip from a previous day when I did legs, so I didn't show you guys me working out. I did chest today, chest and arms, you know what I mean, just a quick one. So just done that, do some cardio. I did 45 minutes cardio, so I'm going to go home now, cook them fish. I'm gonna steam them up, you know what I mean. I go down to the market and I'll get some okra and all of that, and yeah, fix it up. And if you watch this far, then yo, make sure you subscribe, like, comment, you know what I mean, and share.